So putting this on here just like this, and it will cut it. Watch this. That was impressive. That worked out great. This video, I'm going to go over this battery-powered rivet gun. So this one right here uses the DeWalt style batteries. This is the 20-volt, 2-amp battery. Now, you do not get a battery with this. If you're like me and you got a lot of these DeWalt ones, you won't have nothing to worry about at all anyway. Look at how it just fits, and it looks like it's definitely made for it, everybody. That thing sounds like a beast. Looks like it's got a locking mechanism on and off right there. Instruction manual that just kind of like goes over it. You got the mandrel, or reverse button, a trigger, and it's got LED light on the front. So it does have a little LED light right there on the front. You get this tool right here. This tool is going to use for taking this off. So you're going to unscrew this. You'll change out these tips right here. Get a little set of gloves to use. And it looks like they give you like some basic standard rivets right there. And there's the different types of tips that you're going to go with. But today we're just going to use this right here. Let me show you how this thing works. So you put the rivet in like that, put it on. Whoa, that thing was quick. That was powerful. Let's go ahead. Let's drill a hole in this. I've got a, right here, I've got this. Let's drill a hole in this lid, and then let's try the rivet in that lid. Grab a rivet. I'm just going to show y'all. Now, the best thing for using for rivets is between two, if you're going to put two things together, say I want to put a backing on it, and then I want to like tighten it down, that's what you're going to use the rivet for. Yeah, you can see that light. That light is bright. So putting this on here just like this, and it will cut it. Watch this. That was impressive. That worked out great. I don't see any issues with that at all. Look at how solid that ribbon went on there. So you'd use this if you're going to put like some gutters together, or you've got like a car panel or something where you can't access the inside and put a bolt on there. That is so solid. I can't believe how quickly it popped those rivets into place. You know what? I almost want to do another one and see what happens if I go in the reverse. So this is reverse. I don't know what you'd use the reverse for, but maybe if it got stuck on something, you'd use that reverse. There's the lock, so middle's the lock. I can't use the trigger. There's the actual forward. That's forward that way, and that's reverse that way. That thing pops it off like nothing. Watch this, let's do it again. That is fun. Wow, it just shoots it away. But yeah, I don't see any issues with this rivet gun at all. I think it matches just the power of a DeWalt tool. Using the DeWalt batteries, you'll have an endless supply of batteries. If you're like me and you got tons of these, this is the way to go. Because if I don't use one that much, but when I do, I want a good solid one that works. And I think this is the way to go. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the battery-powered rivet gun. See you all in the next video.